Hey guys, welcome to Waterwatch. My name's Darrell, I'm a part of the team here in Dunedin, and today we're going to show you how you can set alarms and change the transmit interval time of your tank monitor in your Waterwatch app. So to do this, you're going to need to have your app ready and you're going to select your tank monitor, and then once you've selected your tank monitor, it'll take you to this screen here that tells you everything you need to know about what your water is doing. And so here you can see that you can set alarms and you can also change the transmit interval. So the alarms are pretty self-explanatory. That is just an alarm to tell you whether your water has dropped or exceeded a certain level. And the transmit interval is how often that your tank monitor is communicating back to the app. So let's set a low level alarm. So to do this, I'm going to select low level alarm, and I want to be notified if my water drops below 50%. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to save the changes. So it's creating an alarm, just got to wait a little bit, and then awesome. So that has scheduled to set that alarm in 5 hours. So I'm going to change the transmit interval now. So I'm going to select that, and then as you can see on this screen, you can choose whether your tank monitor transmits every 6 hours, every 4 hours, or every 2 hours. We recommend every 6 hours because that's the best for the battery life of your tank monitor, but I'm going to choose to change my transmit interval to every 4 hours. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to save the changes, and it's going to create a new transmit interval. As you can see by these clock icons, both of these changes are scheduled to take effect in 5 hours and 36 minutes. Awesome, so now you've successfully changed your low level alarm and your transmit interval.